Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure you have admin access, a working internet connection, and the private DNS hostname you intend to use. Open your device network settings or router control now. Once done, disable any VPN or third-party DNS apps to avoid scope conflicts, and record the current DNS settings so you can revert. Make sure to check whether your network uses DHCP reservations. If it does, prepare to edit the router's DNS entries rather than only the device. Next, configure the private DNS hostname exactly as provided by the service. On Android, use private DNS mode hostname. On routers, replace the upstream DNS with the provider's IP or host. Once you save changes, flush the device DNS cache. On Windows, use ipconfig/flushdns. On Mac OS, use sudo killall HUPM DNS responder. On Android, reboot. Then run a quick lookup with enslookup or dig to the hostname. This verifies resolution and shows whether your device Finally, confirm encrypted DNS is active by checking connection details in the provider app or using online diagnostics. Make sure DNS over TLS or DNS over HTTPS is negotiated if required. Once satisfied, re-enable VPN or security apps one at a time to spot conflicts. If resolution still fails, revert to your recorded original DNS and test again. This isolates whether the private DNS or the network environment caused the issue. If you get persistent failures, collect logs or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.